I'm Rob Smith, and this is the Southern Red Sea. The Red Sea is considered to be one of the underwater wonders of the world, making it a paradise for divers. Its clear waters, coral reefs and diverse marine life attract people from all over the world. For 6 nights we explored the Southern Red Sea on a liveaboard, visiting some of the most famous dive sites such as St John's, the Shoals and Elphinstone. Here are some of the best clips I got from this trip. This bottlenose dolphin was being very curious, swimming right around us all, sometimes even being within touching distance. We just all calmly watched, letting it come to us and enjoying this special moment. This encounter was the highlight of the trip, along with some of the cavern dives around St John's and the Fiore Shoals. Whilst this dolphin had us distracted, the group not far behind us also spotted a thresher shark in the deep. Although that would have been nice to see, this moment was far from spectacular and not one to be missed.
Run away for the night, gotta feel so alive. Can't be free without caution. Only thing on my mind is you. We're in bloom, and I will stay in comfortable silence. I won't talk by myself in violence. Ever since you.
This baby white-tip reef shark was another highlight for me. as it was my first close-up encounter with a shark. I just managed to spot a little white-tipped tail sticking out from under the rocks and instantly knew I'd found a baby shark. I wish I could have spent longer watching it and getting better footage, but we were swimming through the caverns at St John's, so I couldn't afford to lose the group.